Well, it's hard to believe, but I was incredibly shy when I first started out. And I think all the qualities of shy people are not looking up, are not looking people in the eye, or darting or smiling unnecessarily. Learning how to control my own body movements and how to inhabit it, how to allow your chest to come forward and sit slightly higher, how to enter a room not with your head first, which looks slightly anxious, but actually to not lean back or anything or away from the person, but to be comfortable. And so to be comfortable, you need to actually learn great posture.
Jy wil hê mense moet in jou glo. Dit is hoekom dit belangrik is dat jy weet wat die impak van jou liggaamstaal is, en dit is hoekom jy moet weet hoe om jouself te bemark aan daardie mense.
We're now saying that 60% of our expression, ability of people to trust us, is the face. One of the worst things people can do is use Botox.
Die moed en selfvertroue is dat jy moet gemaklik wees om iemand in die gesig aan te kyk.
Nothing is better than face-to-face contact, touching somebody, getting emotionally connected, making that eye contact.
Vertroue kom uit die oogkyk uit.
And out of that, the relationship begins. That is engagement.